Welcome to another episode of Masterminds in Maintenance, where we connect with industry leaders to bring you insights from the front lines of maintenance and reliability. I'm your host, Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's episode, we'll be discussing the crucial skills of strategic planning and problem-solving with a special guest, Bryan Bieschke, Director of Maintenance and Reliability at T.Parker Host. You will learn about the importance of critical thinking, the balance between procedure following and strategic planning, and the value of fundamental maintenance skills. So, let's get started. Bryan begins by sharing his unique journey into the field of maintenance and reliability, highlighting the non-linear paths that many in this industry follow. From starting as an automotive mechanic to his time in the Navy as a ground support equipment troubleshooter, and eventually leading maintenance programs across the United States, Bryan's story is a testament to the diverse experiences that shape expertise in this field. A key focus of our discussion is the importance of critical thinking within maintenance teams. Bryan emphasizes that critical thinking is not just a professional skill, but a life skill that enhances every aspect of one's activities. He shares valuable strategies for fostering this skill within teams, such as encouraging curiosity, questioning standard procedures, and understanding the fundamentals of tasks and machines. Bryan also warns against the pitfalls of groupthink and highlights the importance of independent thought in achieving objective, goal-directed thinking. One intriguing point Bryan makes is the relationship between critical thinking and emotional influence. He notes that emotions can often hinder the ability to think critically, particularly in high-stakes environments like maintenance and reliability. He advises leaders to recognize when decisions are becoming too emotionally driven and to steer back towards data-driven rational decision-making. Moreover, Bryan discusses the balance between following procedures and strategic planning. He advocates for a dynamic approach where feedback mechanisms are integrated into standard operations, allowing continuous improvement and adaptation of processes based on real-world experiences and results. In terms of leadership, Bryan shares insights on recognizing signs of insufficient strategic planning, such as excessive downtime and operational inefficiencies. He stresses the importance of reflecting on whether decisions are overly influenced by emotions or if there's a lack of critical thinking outside established procedures. Lastly, Bryan touches on the value of fundamental maintenance skills over the allure of new technologies. He argues passionately for the need to train teams thoroughly in basic maintenance skills before introducing advanced technologies, which he compares to trying to run before you can walk. For those eager to connect with Bryan and learn more from his experiences, he's active in the maintenance and reliability community on Slack and available on LinkedIn. His open approach to learning and sharing knowledge makes him a valuable resource for anyone looking to enhance their understanding of maintenance and reliability. This episode not only highlights the critical skills needed in the maintenance and reliability industry, but also underscores the importance of continuous learning and adaptation in professional and personal life. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the field, there's much to learn from Bryan's experiences and insights. Thank you for watching this episode of Masterminds in Maintenance. We hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance of critical thinking, strategic planning, and fundamental maintenance skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more industry insights. If you want to learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and reliability team, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to success in maintenance and reliability. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.